Welcome. Today I want to show you how to scan on your Ricoh MP2001SP. First of all, you on your printer. Okay. Give it some time to load. Then you must have your flash drive handy. We are going to connect our flash drive here, the USB port here. So this is the document that we want to scan. There are two ways to scan. You can either scan directly. Okay, let's use this document. You can scan directly from here. Put your document here, and then allow it to load. When you see the scanner option, click on it, and then go to the send setting. You select whether you want it in PDF form or you want it in an image form, maybe JPEG. It can be in single form if you want to put it in JPEG, but I want my own to be in a PDF. Right, so I will OK it. Then you can change the file name. You can decide to write any name you like. I will just put text here, text, and then also OK it. Then OK again. Then you scroll down. You can decide to make it brighter. Scroll down again. Scroll down. This last one is very important. You choose where to store it. I'm storing it on this USB device. So I will click OK and OK again. Once you do everything, you will see this light that change from red to green. Now, what will happen now as I press it? You can pick this document, and it is saying saving. It's that save it in the flash drive. Please subscribe. Thank you.